Step into the world of modern logging, where roaring machines cut, lift, and haul giant trees with brutal precision. Subscribe now and witness timber power in full force. Welcome to Tree Power Channel. In the heart of the forest, a powerful tree-cutting machine moves into action. Its mechanical arm grips the trunk firmly, then slices through it in seconds. The tree falls steadily, with no harm to the surrounding environment. Each movement is precise, highlighting the strength and efficiency of modern forestry equipment. Amid the silence of nature, only the hum of the machine echoes through the green canopy. The tree-cutting machine works powerfully, quickly slicing through the trunk. The tree falls within seconds. Nearby workers monitor the process and clear branches for transport. Every movement is precise, saving time and ensuring safety. With each rotation of the blade, the forest is reshaped, not with chaos, but with clarity. The machine doesn't destroy. It harvests, respects, and renews. Every cut is intentional, every movement efficient, and every tree becomes a resource, ready to serve, ready to be reborn in another form. In this fusion of steel and earth, the future of sustainable forestry takes root, precise, intelligent, and deeply in tune with the land. This is the Malva 560, a compact yet powerful harvester made for tight forest conditions. Watch how easily it moves between trees thanks to its low weight and all-wheel drive. The hydraulic arm grabs the tree firmly, and in one quick motion, the saw cuts through the trunk. Next, it strips the branches clean and stacks the log neatly, all without damaging nearby trees. The operator sits in a quiet, climate-controlled cab, handling everything with a joystick and touchscreen. Fast, fuel-efficient, and forest-friendly, this is smart logging at its best. harvester grips the trunk, cuts it clean, and strips the branches in one fluid motion. It works nonstop, turning standing trees into uniform logs, ready for transport. Deep in the forest, surrounded by towering trees, a powerful machine prepares for action. It's the feller, a high-performance forestry vehicle built to harvest timber with unmatched speed and control. As the engine hums and the hydraulic arms extend, the feller grips a tree with mechanical strength. In just seconds, a sharp blade slices cleanly through the trunk. The tree, once standing tall, now leans, falls, and lands with precision. This is no ordinary machine. Designed for rugged terrain and non-stop operation, the feller processes trees with incredible speed. One after another, trees are cut and laid down with the accuracy of a well-rehearsed routine. Every movement is calculated. The operator inside the cabin monitors systems through advanced screens and controls every function with ease. It's not just about cutting. It's about harvesting responsibly, with maximum efficiency and minimal waste. In the world of forestry, machines like the feller are changing everything. Safer for workers, faster for industries, and smarter for the environment. This is the evolution of logging, where power meets precision in every tree that falls. High in the rugged forest hills, the Valmet 921 takes on a steep challenge. With powerful hydraulic arms and a rotating cabin, it grips, cuts, and stacks logs effortlessly, even on dangerous slopes. Precision, strength, and control, all in one machine. This is forestry at its finest. The Nisula N5 six-wheeled harvester is a compact powerhouse built for precision in tight forest spaces. Its advanced P9NG crane glides smoothly between trees, gripping each trunk with confidence. Within seconds, the harvester head cuts the limbs and processes the tree into logs, all in one fluid motion. The machine's low ground pressure protects the forest floor, while its agile frame moves effortlessly through dense stands. Engineered for professional thinning, the N5 combines cutting-edge hydraulics, operator comfort, and unbeatable efficiency in real-world forestry. In a quiet, snow-covered forest, the Nisula N5 forestry machine moves steadily through the terrain. It is equipped with the Nisula 500H harvester head, designed for thinning operations in tight and snowy environments. The operator skillfully positions the machine beside a standing tree. The harvester head clamps the trunk firmly, cuts it at the base in a clean motion, and immediately begins delimbing as the tree is fed through the rollers. Branches are stripped quickly and efficiently. The processed log is then measured and dropped neatly onto a growing stack of timber. The machine continues to the next tree with minimal soil disturbance, thanks to its compact design and precision control. Even in cold, slippery conditions, the N5 performs smoothly, making winter logging efficient, safe, and highly productive. In the stillness of the forest, the Malva 560 lies in wait, like a mechanical beast, silent and watchful. Its cutting head, razor-sharp and patient, resembles the steel jaws of a predator anticipating its next meal. With a low growl, the engine stirs. The machine quivers, not from cold, but in anticipation of its wooden feast. Inside the cab, the operator sits composed, eyes scanning the trees, hands gripping the controls with precise intent. The hydraulic arm extends. The cutting head clamps onto the trunk, and with a smooth, methodical rhythm, The tree is segmented piece by piece, like peeling a massive apple with surgical grace. No rush, no waste, just the steady harmony of man and machine working as one. Early morning in the snowy forest, the rotten H-20 gets to work. With the SP661LF head, it grabs each tree firmly, cuts cleanly, and strips the branches in seconds. The machine moves steadily between trees, handling even the thickest logs with ease. Everything is controlled from inside the cab, keeping the operator warm and safe. In tough winter conditions, this is how forestry gets done: efficient, reliable, and built for the job. The powerful John Deere 2154D fitted with a Warada 622C head takes center stage in the forest. With its long, steady arm and high-torque harvester head, it grips towering trees and slices through trunks with surgical precision. In one fluid motion, it fells, delimbs, and cuts logs to size. Fast, clean, and unstoppable. This is next-level logging, reliable, rugged, and built for serious production in any terrain. Compact, agile, and ready for the woods, the Valtra N174D teams up with the Nisula 425C harvesting head for a powerful performance. Light on the ground but strong on the job, this setup is perfect for thinning and selective logging. Smart, efficient, and built to move through tight forest stands with ease. This is the John Deere 643K Feller Buncher, a powerful machine built for modern logging. With its sharp cutting head and strong grip, it quickly cuts and gathers trees, even on steep and rough terrain. The operator controls everything from a safe, comfortable cab, ensuring both speed and safety. Efficient, reliable, and tough, the 643K gets the job done. The Logset 12H GTE hybrid brings together diesel power and electric energy for maximum efficiency. As it moves through the forest, the hybrid system kicks in to deliver instant torque, improving fuel economy and reducing emissions. This isn't just about cutting trees, it's about cutting costs and carbon. In a world moving toward cleaner solutions, the Logset 12H GTE is a pioneer, blending brute strength with environmental awareness. With advanced automation and smart controls, the Logset 12H works with pinpoint accuracy. Its sensors measure each log's diameter and length in real time, adjusting the harvester head for the cleanest cuts. No motion is wasted, no tree is mishandled. Every movement is fast, calculated, and smooth, delivering more output with less effort. This is forestry powered by intelligence. Massive pine and spruce trees are no match for the Logset 12H. Its reinforced frame and heavy-duty harvester head make quick work of even the toughest logs. The multi-grip rollers and sharp blades strip bark and branches in seconds. Whether working in cold Nordic forests or dense mountain woodlands, this machine was built to endure, conquer, and outperform. Step into the cab of the log set 12H, and you'll find a workspace built for performance and comfort. Ergonomic seating, panoramic windows, and low-noise operation keep the operator focused and fatigue-free. With responsive joysticks and touchscreens, the operator has full control of every log and every movement. Long shifts in the forest have never been this efficient or this comfortable. Gone are the days of loud, polluting machines tearing through forests. The Logset 12H GTE hybrid leads a new era where strength meets sustainability and productivity meets precision. It's not just about harvesting trees faster. It's about doing it smarter and more responsibly. For the operators, for the industry, and for the planet, this is the machine that's changing the future of forestry. In the middle of the rain-soaked forest, a crane machine pushes on through the downpour. Heavy rain slicks the ground, but the operator stays dry and focused inside the cabin. The crane lifts massive logs with precision, swinging them smoothly despite the wet, muddy terrain. Steam rises from the machine's engine, mixing with the mist and rain, proof that the job doesn't stop when the weather turns. Out here, in the heart of nature, power meets endurance. Rain or shine. In the forest, the Ponzi Scorpion King begins its work. With 8 wheels and a central boom, it moves smoothly over rough terrain. The operator sits in a rotating cabin and selects a tree. The machine grips, cuts, delimbs, and slices it into logs in just a few seconds. Fast, precise, and with minimal impact on the forest. Deep within the forest, a powerful tree-cutting machine tirelessly works, its sharp blades whirling with precision. It skillfully slices through the thick trunk of a towering tree, breaking it down into neat, manageable sections. The rhythmic sound of cutting reverberates through the quiet woods, as the machine transforms the mighty tree into logs ready for transport. Surrounded by the calm of nature, this scene captures the blend of human technology and the raw beauty of the wilderness. At Elmiowood 2022, the future of forestry was revealed. The Malva EV, a fully electric harvester, silent yet powerful. With zero emissions and advanced performance, it glides smoothly through the forest, cutting with precision and care. Clean, green, and incredibly efficient, this is not just a machine, it's a new era in sustainable logging.
Men då har de tagit en elmotor till transmissionen och sen en elmotor med en pumpväxellåda till arbetspumpen. Så hydraulsystemet är exakt samma. Så om man nu tänker sig energieffektivisering så finns det är ju nästa steg. Hur ska man driva hydraulpumparna? Hur ska man... Transmissionen är ju det enkla. Det är ju som vilken elbil som helst. Det är bara...
Men pumparna blir värre.
The harvester grips the tree and cuts it clean in seconds. Branches are stripped and logs are sized with precision. All done from the operator's cabin. Fast, safe, and efficient.